And welcome back to today's More Report Analysis videos on Wednesday the 5th of October with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antec Markets. Let's look at dollar yen. And this is another market that had a big move yesterday, big outlook changing move. Big bullish candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bull candles in a row now. And the outlook generally has been changed by this. The big primary downtrend that's been intact throughout 2016 has now been broken. And that, as I said, changes what we're looking out for. So you're no longer long-term bearish. Sort of that big floor at 100 big figure yen is held intact, and the momentum indicators are increasingly positive. Now, the bulls will be looking out for this indicator here, the RSI. 60 on the RSI seems to be time and time again where the bulls run out of steam on these recoveries. Is this going to happen again? We've had this move where the stochastics are rising strongly, really good gains that we're seeing on these stochastics, but can this move continue and pull above 60 and be confident enough to sort of pull towards 70? It's a big ask. You've got the resistance overhead, which first of all has been broken above 102.80. That opened 103.35. And 104.30 is the big resistance at the September high. For now, we're basically sort of consolidating on the day, about 8 ticks down on the day. But as you can see on the hourly chart, this basically is a consolidation of the gains that we've seen sort of in the last sort of few days, really. 102.60 is initially a bit of a support, 102.60, 102.70 area. Supportive today, so that could be a bit of a telling sign there. You've got these initial momentum indicators which are just drifting away again. You could argue the hourly chart has a sort of bearish engulfing near-term candle, so maybe that will put a bit of a corrective spin on this one. You could see a bit of a dip back towards possibly, and I say possibly, 102 figure, which is a bit of a pivot line, held on a bit of a correction yesterday before rallying back higher. That is your initial sort of line of support, but I would say that if this is going to be a continuation of the bull run, I'd say that the bulls are going to come back in before then. So the RSI on the hourly is already back at 56. 40 seems to be a bit of a level between 40 and 50 where through this run higher the bulls have been supportive. So that's interesting, something to look out for. You're not a million miles away from there, so this little near-term correction would, I think, be seen as a chance to buy. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.